Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add the fingerprint onto your REALME P3. Let's begin! First, we want to head into settings. Then, you want to scroll down a little and enter security and privacy. Now, you can scroll down and head into device unlock. All you want to do is simply click fingerprint and face unlock now and go into fingerprint. First, we need to draw our lock screen pattern or other lock screen way. So for example, if you have pin set up, you would have to input your pin. Now we have a nice reminder about the screen protector. If you will ever encounter any issues related to your fingerprint sensor, the most probably reason why it's not working is the screen protector itself. So now we simply go with Add Now, and we can now place our finger on the sensor to begin the calibration. Now I will use this finger. Usually you probably want to use your thumb, but I'm going to use this one. And now we want to simply keep pressing our finger on different degrees, on different angles, actually, degrees, until we feel vibration and until animation progresses. So now we want to enroll edges, so I'm going to go here and carefully just register the edges of my finger, and now a fingerprint has been added. We can hit done. We can ignore the fact that we want to also enroll our face. We can also change its name, so for example we can name it subscribe with a nice exclamation mark, and now we have our fingerprint. If we would lock our screen and unlock it, we can now go into here and unlock our phone using our finger. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.